been a nuisance for too long. Alright guys, how you doing? Good. So we're gonna play the 6th battle with the US Conquest, right? So let's see. We still couldn't get that artillery, the self-propelled artillery, so we're gonna try to get that. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, good. Yeah, well, we have 14 research points. Yeah, that'll get us the artillery. Let's see. Wow, man, I'm so excited. Yeah, let's see. So we want to get this, and we can't get it because we need this and this and this. Okay, so we need the pre-stick. Oh man, come on, we still can't get it. That's a bummer. Whatever. Okay, yeah, we'll get it. That's fine. Then essentially we want the call in stage 4, but yeah, not yet. Okay, good. So let's resupply all. Good, looking good. We have 4 tanks, and I guess, oh wow, actually, you know what, we can get like maybe one more tank. Hold on, can we? Yes, we can. We actually can. Hold on, so I'm gonna get you over here, sir, and then give me another Sherman, will you? Good. M4A1. Okay, awesome. Looking good. We got medics. Okay, infantry, tank crews. Yeah, we got the whole thing. That's awesome. Good. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. Well, not really a challenge, right? So, but we want challenge. But sadly, we can't get it with this battle. But this is a snow battle, like, you know, a winter battle actually. Yeah, man, my English sucks. Okay, but yeah, let's go. All right, good. Let's get our stuff to the front lines.
We're ready. Armor ready. What are your orders, sir? Ready to go, sir. Always ready. Waiting your command, sir. Officer here. What's the objective, sir? Yes, sir. Moving there now. Ready to go, sir.
Awaiting orders, sir.
Aye. Ready to go. Ready to go, sir.
On the way.
Yes, sir. Ready to roll, sir. Ready to go, sir.
All right, so let's get our front line
Ready, sir.
lined up here, right? Okay, so we got 2 tanks at the moment. Scout cars going right and left.
Ready to roll, sir.
Infantry, give me a line, will you? Okay, officers, wait here. Medics, let's go. I want the mortar supporting the tanks.
I'm ready.
Tank crews here. All right, who do we have here? Good. Okay, here we go. Medics. All right, fuel tank, fuel stuff. All right, awesome. Good. Let's keep pushing. So we're gonna push like this, and yeah, you know, we're gonna come over here.
It will be done, sir.
Let's see. You know, let's take the road.
Waiting your command, sir. Waiting your command, sir.
Let's go.
Ready, sir. What are your orders, sir? Ready to go, sir. Awaiting orders, sir. Yes, sir. Waiting your command, sir. Yes, sir.
Ready to go, sir.
That's interesting. Still, we don't see anyone.
Ready, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, there they are.
Look out, enemy.
We got him. So we got 3 tanks or 3 light vehicles running around. Yeah, bring me that.
Ready, sir.
Bring me that. Sherman here. Okay, get that guy. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's what happens. All right, so let's go.
Enemy tank!
Scout car can keep the road.
Always ready.
Take enemy armor!
Always ready.
to go, sir.
All right, looking good. Let's go. So, oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get this guy. Get this guy. You see him? There's somewhere over here.
It's not easy! Enemy
Okay, can
tank!
we hit him? Let's see. Oh, no. That didn't work. Where is he, man? Oh yeah, there we go, there we go. Can he penetrate? Oh boy.
Got enemy tanks
Okay, we
here!
lost our guy. There we go. Take that. We're also gonna get that mortar here. Let's see if we can get it.
Yes!
That's right, that's right.
That showed them!
Okay, so I want you to keep this road like that. Good. What are you doing? Oh boy. Okay, get back, will you?
Any orders, sir?
Okay,
Enemy tanks here!
Yes, sir.
good.
Awaiting your command.
Push slowly. Give me the mortar.
Medic here. Who needs help?
Medics. Let's push forward.
Your orders, sir.
Get the army moving.
What's the objective? Ready to go, sir. Ready, sir. Awaiting your command, sir.
Yeah, like that.
Ready to go, sir.
Got car. Go. Alright, so this is gonna be a little bit of a tricky situation because tanks in you know, like in an urban area like this, you know, it usually doesn't end well. Well, you know, you gotta always, like, you know, protect your tanks, right? Let's see. I'm gonna have some guys waiting behind the tanks. And then, yes. And that they will basically, you know,
Got enemy tanks here!
protect the tanks. What is this? There we go. There we go. Hey, Jerry. There we go. Alright, what's going on here? What is this stuff? Keep it wagging. Oh, there we go. That's a black truck. Yeah, just you wait. There you go. Take that. Like that? Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's push up. Push up slowly. Damn it, what is that? Okay.
What are your orders, sir?
Well, can you take him? Okay. Yeah, that's right. Well,
Ready, sir. I'm ready. Waiting for order, sail. Yes, sir.
like so, mortars shooting. That's good.
We're ready.
The mortars.
Always ready.
Alright, guys, slowly we're gonna push. Dude, oh my goodness, what happened here?
Any orders, sir?
Dude, oh, that was a mine? I have no idea what happened here.
Yes, sir.
Defensive positions, we gotta get that tank.
Ready, sir.
You know, we gotta get that tank up and running. I have no idea what happened to that tank, man. Wow. That is kind of a bummer. No idea. What? Okay. Okay, so guys, let's go. I'm gonna you guys here like that.
Yes, sir.
And you guys defend here.
All right, sir.
Okay. Okay, so there's something coming here. Something coming out here. We gotta respond. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's a Panzer III. So get out of his line of sight, will you?
Ready. It will be done, sir.
what up, bro? How we doing? You good? There you go. Want another? There you go. Whoa, that was good. That was good. Okay. Yeah, you guys are doing fine here. Are you? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Something is coming. Coming this way again. Okay, we gotta deal with this. Gotta deal with this thing, whatever this thing is. Yeah, that's a Panzer I probably. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, that's a 10 centimeter? That is a 10 centimeter, and we're just, yeah, we're kind of screwed here. Okay, guys, can't get that tank out of there. Don't let him shoot, don't let him shoot. Well, we gotta deal with that artillery. I don't know where that comes from.
Oh my God! Enemy tank! Ready to fire.
Crap, that artillery. I can hear it.
Ready, sir.
I have no idea where it is. That's the thing. Oh man. Okay, can you get that? Get in that tank, will ya? Give me the medics. Okay. Just support these guys in the middle there. Get over here. Oh boy, look at that, look at that, look at that. The artillery is right over here, man. It's right over here. Come on. Can you get out of there, please? Come on! Seriously? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is terrible. That is terrible. Well, at least, I guess, you know, they can't shoot our tanks in here. But, you know, let's see if our guys can get them. These are the tank crews, eh? Not sure if we can get them with the tank crews. I'm not sure. Okay. You guys, let's go. So let's go.
Waiting your command, sir.
Okay. So yeah, get that guy up.
Always ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got that tank back. Oh yeah. Just so you get in. Get in.
Where do you need it?
Take that guy. What is this? Oslegionnaire?
Of course.
Oh, oh. I mean, where is the artillery? I thought it was like here somewhere.
Look out!
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Over there somewhere.
Will do, sir. What are your orders, sir?
Get down. The artillery probably is behind that building. And like, you know, it can't see us, right? Alright, what are you guys doing? Hey, what's up?
Enemy artillery!
There you go. There you go. Hey, you've been a nuisance for too long. Okay, what are you guys doing? Just wait a second. Here we go. Here we go again.
Take that!
Bro, they have the survival instinct of an orange. Oh crap, what is that? Oh.
Enemy tank!
Shit, I don't want that.
Got him!
Shit. Can we just get out of here? Oh man, I gotta get out of here right now.
Look out!
I want to deal with that tank.
Enemy tank!
Go, go, go. Get out of here. Yeah, that was good.
Oh, shit!
Crap. Okay, so I want you to get out of there. Alright, so Shermans have arrived. Oh, we're good, we're good. Alright, so, what are you guys doing? Oh boy, what? Bro, Stuck got one of our tanks? Holy crap. Seriously? Get down, will you? Okay, can't penetrate it.
Got enemy tanks here!
No way to penetrate it?
Enemy down!
Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. That tank is gone. Okay. So repair this tank. Gotta defend this right side now, but we don't have crews for this guy. So you know, let's get some crews in there.
You got enemy tanks here!
There we go. I catch the other guy.
Lock and load, that's a tank!
Where's it? But I have no idea where it is. Like here? Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go, take that.
Medic, over here!
Okay, you stay here. And this guy, get out. So you wait here, sir. Okay. Good. I think, yeah, this is good. Okay, awesome. Get in. Okay, so where's our tank here? Here? Okay, good. Fix that tank. Oh crap, that tank is gone. Okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Yeah, give me the officers over here. Then
Any orders, sir?
tank crews, I guess. I'm gonna have the tank crews. Where's the medic? Oh man, we lost the medic again? Oh crap. Okay. Well. Alright. Go. Good, so I guess we can like kind of continue our assault here.
On the way!
Go slowly, guys, slowly. One more guy. This tank. Okay, you guys here. Mortars, where are the mortars? Where are the medics? Medics go over here. Okay, yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're good. We're good. Let's push. Let's push, guys.
Understood, sir.
We could, you know, get this artillery. Maybe
Ready to go.
this half track here. Maybe repair that too? No. Repair it? Okay.
sir.
Good.
Ready.
I think like we don't need to, you know, collect stuff from the battlefield anymore. Probably because like, you know, we have like maybe like 7,000 you know, yeah, 7,000 points or manpower or whatever that thing is. Okay, looking good. Oh boy, wow, that was good. Good shot, man. Okay.
Always ready.
Oh, cool. We got a half track. I mean, yeah, a half track with the. What is this? 3.7 centimeter. That's awesome. That's good. Oh, whoa, whoa! Look at that! Look at that stuff. That's a monster. There we go. But it doesn't have a lot of armor.
Lock and load, that's a tank!
Okay. We'll push this way.
Ready to go, sir.
Push that way.
Aye, sir.
We're gonna duel it out with this tank here.
Send him right!
Okay. Okay, how many men are in
Haze
there?
here.
They're not dead yet? Yeah, it's dead. It's gone.
What are your orders, sir?
Alright. Just support that tank.
Look out, enemy armor.
Good. We're gonna keep pushing here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all good, guys. All good. That's not ideal. That's not ideal. Flak track, go help the RT guys.
In Deckung!
Well-oiled machine, boys. Keep working.
Feindbeschuss!
Good work, boys.
What's up, boys?
Sucht euch Deckung!
How you guys doing? You good? Okay, you know what? We probably need some artillery. No, some infantry guys over there. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is great. That's great. Flak track going to town. Look at that. That is awesome.
Standing by.
Okay, officers, let's go. This. Okay, yeah, you get in. Repair. Get that artillery, like, no. Get it out of there.
Enemy tank!
Damn it! Where did they come from?
Crap.
Verteidigung!
Crap. I can't even do stuff.
Green from over.
The half track is really, like, doing its thing. That is awesome. Oh, what is that? Okay, try. That's an MG. Good, good, good. Okay, we can keep going. We can keep going. Let's go. Sonderkraftfahrzeug. Get that. Get this thing, will you?
Armor up ahead.
There we go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are we doing here? Are some mortars here? You're telling me what we can get?
Understood. I'm ready.
Okay. Oh boy.
Support.
No. Get him? Yeah. That's right. So this guy's too? No. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, that's what happens. I feel like there's some more here. I don't know what it is, but
Tanks here! Wir sitzen hier wie auf dem Präsentierteller!
oh, there he is. Got him, got him. Yep. Looking good. Okay, awesome.
Ready, sir!
Man, my frames got better. That is awesome. Yeah.
Aye, sir.
What are your orders, sir?
So what I want is we need some
Ready to go, sir.
we need some guys here. So let's see, a tank crews. Yes, we need them. Got a man down here. Get him up.
Over
See.
here! Medic!
Okay, there it is. Okay.
Who needs more?
We're ready.
Enemy tank!
Yes, sir!
Always ready. I need help!
Okay, I know that you need it.
Ready to roll, sir.
Okay, let's push.
Yes, sir.
Lines nearby. Where are they? Push into the zone so that, yeah, we can basically finish this. But yeah, you know, I guess this is pretty much it. What we're gonna do here is we're definitely taking that artillery, and yeah, then you know I won't be getting much actually after that. What is this? Oh yeah, that's a mortar truck. No, I'm not gonna deal with that. Probably we're gonna take this huge tank, and then that'll be it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We're gonna go on with this 7th battle, and then we're gonna have the artillery, the mobilized, you know, self-propelled artillery. You know, sorry the frame rates were a little bit low for this one, but you know, I guess the sound issues are fixed, right? Probably fixed. Usually the game sound was higher than my sound, but yeah, that's fixed. So I got that figured out. Speaking of the bar here, oh my God, come on! Oh wait, dude. Oh boy, I can't believe this. I can't believe there are mines here. This is crappy. Okay. Oh boy. See, this is why you need the engineering truck. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna push our guy over here. Tank.
Ready to go, sir. Ready, sir.
Okay. Did you? Okay. We're done.
Ready to go, sir.
Oh man. Lost how many? Like 3-4 guys here. That is not ideal at all. Well, we captured this. Okay, guys. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.